If you've ever used Cash App, you probably notice that every payment you send or receive shows up in your Activity tab. A lot of people wonder if there's a way to delete or hide those transactions, especially for privacy reasons. The short answer is Cash App does not allow you to delete your transaction history. Once a payment is completed, it stays in your account activity, and there's no option to clear it like you might do with text messages or browser history. However, there are a couple of things you can do. If you really want your past transactions gone, the only way is to completely delete your Cash App account. This will remove your profile and all payment history connected to it. To do that, you'll first need to make sure you transfer any remaining balance to your bank account, sell or withdraw any Bitcoin or stocks you hold, and then go to your account settings and select Close My Cash App Account. Once the account is deleted, all of your history is removed, permanently. If you don't want to go that far, your best option is simply to adjust your privacy settings. Cash App allows you to make your activity private so that only you can see your past transactions. That way, even though the history still exists, nobody else can view it. So, to sum it up, you can't selectively delete transactions on Cash App. You either keep them visible only to yourself or close your account entirely to erase them. Cash App won't let you delete history. But here's a smarter money move. Switch to Wise. Wise gives you full control of your transfers, lower fees than Cash App, and free debit cards you can use worldwide. And right now, if you use the link in the description, your first transfer up to $800 is completely free.